You just never know what you might see and what you might be surprised by. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? You're gonna be all right, Isaiah. You're gonna be all right.
I know I am. Wow.
Overworked and all that stuff.
Didn't we say there was a surprise?
Oh my God! Yeah, they seem to the shirts we got.
I don't know what it is. It might be a guitar. I don't know what it is. What is it, Isaiah?
It's a drum set.
It's a drum. It's a kit, man. It's a kit.
It's a nice kit.
It's a nice kit, man. What are you, blessed or something?
Yeah.
You are blessed, man. Hey, I'm Jack, man. Did you know that? I'm Jack. I know. Yeah. Yeah, I've been friends with George a while.
Oh.
Yeah, don't hold that against me. That guy right there. That guy right there.
I'm not gonna hold it against you at all.
He don't even know what a drum set is.
Yeah, you know something?
But he can play guitar.
Yeah, he can play guitar.
He can drive a truck.
Yeah,
He drives a fed up truck.
Yeah.
Fed up. That's right. I'm fed up with that truck.
He's about fed up with that truck. This is amazing. Thank you.
Are you surprised?
Hey, you know what? Hey, the Holy Spirit said that the Holy Spirit says there will be no confusion, okay?
If you ever get the urge to play acoustic, you have.
I have an acoustic set.
That's it.
It's kind of like you've heard of Build-A-Bear, where you get to
It's
build
a
a drum.
drum set. So
Build a bear,
I don't
build a
have
drum.
stands or symbols for it, but
Not yet.
Cool.
marketplace or somewhere you might could get some stands. A few stands.
You just never know where some might show up, George.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
I used to use these drums at the Gospel Chicken House up in Montpelier.
That's it. That's the place.
Yep.
The Gospel Chicken House.
Gospel Chicken House.
Any eggs? Do they have eggs there?
Oh, they did.
They did. Fried or broiled or
way you
cracked?
wanted 'em.
Cracked?
They had
Cracked eggs.
all the good stuff.
There
They
you
had
go.
a few cracked individuals.
There you go.
No doubt about that. But
Instant replay. Wow.
Look at that guy go nuts.
I love it.
Wow.
Are you a happy man?
Yes.
I'm glad he's videotaping because I
wow. You know, I thought that a little extra professionalism may just be helpful.
Did you say you're glad I'm videotaping?
Yes, thank
Would you
you.
like it on my YouTube channel? Okay, I'll put it on my YouTube channel, and I'll put you on it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
27. It's the 20th.
Thought I was going to get married. So my grandmother ended up
Okay.
selling
That was nice.
acoustic kit.
Really?
And I was like, cool. So I bought an electric kit. Didn't really think that I was going to.
252-232-8870. And that's I can give you more information about it if you want to come out. It's in the morning. It's like 10 to
Got one.
I love that one that's in there.
You know, it's not bad actually. That one is not the fanciest thing, and I'm looking for another one for you. But, it's something to start with.
It is. It really is. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What a deal.
Yeah.
Well, what a night, huh?
Well, because I love you so much, I will let you put them in my spare bedroom.
There you go. That's a deal.
Use it for band practice.
There you go. I guess it keeps coming.
And I'm going to be looking out for more tools and things to come.
More parts and pieces.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, then I might as well get rid of the mattress that's on the floor.
Turn that into a music room or something.
You're a band.
Use the mattresses for the walls for insulation.
Oh, yeah.
And bang my head when
That thing. Yeah, what she said.
Yeah, pretty good.
I love it.
Yeah.
So now you know what the phone call was all about.
Oh, that's what the phone call was.
Exactly. I was like, okay.
We were talking.
Hey, last night?
Yeah,
That was. I
Oh
literally
my.
thought it was about furniture. She said it was furniture. I was like, okay, cool.
We told a fib. Go figure.
So the mattresses are coming off the floor for more furniture. I got it now.
Yeah.
Well, we
This
can
is
make
furniture.
bands out of them if we wanted to.
That's right.
And that's a coffee table right
Yeah,
there.
that'd be a good little.
Right
Last
there.
I knew.
Apartment
Table,
furniture already
yeah.
fixed up.
Be a good
Or if
little
you
end
stack
table.
them in from biggest to little, you can make a Christmas tree. And
That's
put
right,
lights
yeah,
around.
that's true.
Yeah.
Come on.
I think Patty, I think you're going a bit far, okay?
Yeah.
They're not going to be, no.
Hey, you know what? I dance to the beat of a different drum than everybody else.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, me and him.
Oh, and it's black too.
And the drums only have the heads on one
They got-
side, so she could put lights on the inside.
Oh my
And
goodness.
make it a nice little
Somebody had
Christmas tree.
Put
So they're not headless, but they are bottomless. Okay.
Right.
Are they all the way up as far as they can go?
Oh, they
I don't know
might
if
can
his
go up.
cajon will fit.
My cajon would not fit in that trunk.
Yes, because there's more room here.
Oh
Yeah,
my
there's more
goodness.
room.
And
We
if
can.
not, I'm sure they have margarine or butter. in
We
there.
got olive oil.
Oh, there you go. Where's Papa?
That's right. I am's what I am's, and that's all that I am's. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. That's sweet potato. Yeah.
Well, you know what? They'll fit. We'll
That'll fit
Oh,
now.
but what about my guitar? It'll be
Well, we
on
can
your
just
back.
leave that here.
For a couple of months.
We won't sell it. It's not like we have a
Oh, I
thrift
need it
store.
tomorrow.
That's right.